Forgotten username recovery failed on Moneyfarm Fix. If you've lost your Moneyfarm username, most people panic, but here's the truth. Recovery is quick if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Go to the Moneyfarm login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Moneyfarm will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure reset link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect key account information. This can include your full name, recent deposits, or the last 4 digits of your bank account linked to Moneyfarm. Their support team can verify this information and help you recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions, for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully, as repeated requests can slow down the process. Step 4. If the automated recovery fails, contact Moneyfarm support directly. Provide your verification details and explain the issue. Their team will walk you through a secure process to regain access. After recovery, take a moment to update your security. Enable 2-factor authentication and store your credentials safely. This prevents future access issues and keeps your investment account secure. By following these steps, you can recover your Moneyfarm username efficiently and get back to managing your investments without stress. A forgotten username is only a temporary obstacle that can be resolved quickly.